The indispensable curriculum. Why learning from mistakes is the ultimate education. The human experience is an intricate tapestry woven with threads of triumph and error. We celebrate the former, bask in the glow of success, and rightly so. Yet, it is in the latter, the realm of missteps and blunders, that the most profound and enduring lessons reside. To truly navigate the complexities of life, to evolve and flourish, we must embrace our mistakes not as condemnations, but as invaluable teachers. Learning from our mistakes is not merely a beneficial practice. It is an essential ingredient in the recipe for personal growth, resilience, and wisdom. 1. The anatomy of a mistake. A fertile ground for growth. Mistakes, at their core, are deviations from expected outcomes. They are the moments where our plans, assumptions, or actions diverge from the desired path. While the initial reaction might be one of disappointment, frustration, or even shame, these emotions serve as powerful catalysts for introspection. When we analyze our mistakes, we are forced to confront our limitations, biases, and blind spots. Identifying weaknesses. Mistakes illuminate the areas where our knowledge or skills are lacking. They expose the gaps in our understanding and highlight the need for further development. 2. For instance, a failed business venture might reveal a lack of market research or financial acumen. This recognition, though painful, provides a clear roadmap for improvement. Challenging assumptions. We often operate on ingrained assumptions about the world and ourselves. 3. Mistakes force us to question these assumptions, revealing their potential flaws. A relationship breakdown, for example, might challenge our assumptions about communication or compatibility. Developing problem-solving skills. Every mistake presents a unique problem to be solved. 4. By analyzing the root cause and devising solutions, we sharpen our problem-solving skills, enhancing our ability to navigate future challenges. Fostering self-awareness. Mistakes provide a mirror, reflecting our actions and their consequences. 5. This process of self-reflection fosters self-awareness, allowing us to understand our patterns, triggers, and tendencies. 6. The resilience built on broken pieces. Life is not a linear path to success. It is a winding road punctuated by detours and setbacks. Learning from mistakes cultivates resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity. 7. Building emotional fortitude. Facing and overcoming mistakes builds emotional fortitude. 8. We learn to manage disappointment, handle criticism, and persevere in the face of setbacks. This emotional resilience is crucial for navigating the inevitable challenges of life. Developing adaptability. Mistakes often require us to adapt and adjust our strategies. 9. This process of adaptation fosters flexibility and resilience, allowing us to thrive in dynamic and unpredictable environments. Cultivating a growth mindset. A growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work, 10. Is nurtured by learning from mistakes. 11. Instead of viewing failures as fixed limitations, we see them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Reducing fear of failure. The fear of making mistakes can be paralyzing, preventing us from taking risks and pursuing our goals. 12. By learning from our mistakes, we diminish this fear, recognizing that failure is not fatal but a stepping stone to success. The wisdom forged in the crucible of error. Experience, often hailed as the best teacher, is largely composed of lessons gleaned from mistakes. The wisdom acquired through these experiences is invaluable, shaping our judgment and guiding our decisions. Gaining practical knowledge. Mistakes provide practical, real-world knowledge that cannot be obtained through theoretical learning. We learn by doing, and the consequences of our actions provide immediate and impactful feedback. Developing sound judgment. By analyzing past mistakes, we develop a keen sense of judgment, allowing us to anticipate potential pitfalls and make more informed decisions. Enhancing empathy and compassion. Recognizing our own fallibility fosters empathy and compassion for others. 13. We understand that everyone makes mistakes, and we become more tolerant and understanding of their shortcomings. Promoting humility. Mistakes remind us of our human fallibility, fostering humility and preventing arrogance. 14. We recognize that we are not infallible and that there is always room for improvement. The art of reflection. Extracting the lessons. Simply making mistakes is not enough. We must actively reflect on them to extract the valuable lessons they offer. The power of journaling. Journaling provides a space for introspection, allowing us to document our experiences, analyze our actions, and identify patterns. 15. Seeking feedback. Seeking feedback from trusted mentors, peers, or experts can provide valuable insights and perspectives that we might have overlooked. Analyzing the root cause. Instead of focusing on the surface-level consequences, we must delve deeper to identify the root cause of the mistake. Developing actionable strategies. Based on our analysis, we must develop actionable strategies to prevent similar mistakes in the future. The societal shift. Embracing a culture of learning. The fear of making mistakes is often ingrained in societal structures, from educational institutions to workplaces. However, fostering a culture that embraces mistakes as learning opportunities is crucial for individual and collective progress. Creating safe spaces. Creating safe spaces where individuals feel comfortable sharing their mistakes without fear of judgment is essential for promoting learning and growth. 16. Encouraging experimentation. Encouraging experimentation and risk-taking, even if it leads to mistakes, fosters innovation and creativity. 17. Shifting the focus from failure to learning. Shifting the focus from failure to learning transforms mistakes from sources of shame to opportunities for growth. 18. Promoting open dialogue. Open dialogue about mistakes and lessons learned fosters a culture of transparency and collaboration. 19. The enduring legacy of learned mistakes. The lessons gleaned from our mistakes are not fleeting. They become an integral part of our character, shaping our future actions and decisions. They are the invisible threads that weave together our experiences, creating a rich tapestry of wisdom. Guiding future decisions. The lessons learned from past mistakes guide our future decisions, helping us avoid similar pitfalls and make more informed choices. 20. Shaping personal growth. By embracing our mistakes, we embark on a journey of continuous personal growth, evolving into more resilient, adaptable, and wise individuals. 21. Inspiring others. Sharing our experiences and lessons learned can inspire others to embrace their own mistakes and embark on their own journeys of growth. Leaving a legacy of wisdom. The wisdom accumulated through our mistakes becomes a lasting legacy, shaping not only our own lives but also the lives of those around us. In conclusion, learning from mistakes is not a mere option. It is an imperative. It is the cornerstone of personal growth, resilience, and wisdom. By embracing our mistakes as invaluable teachers, we unlock our potential, navigate the complexities of life with greater confidence, and leave behind a legacy of enduring wisdom. The true measure of our character lies not in our ability to avoid mistakes, but in our willingness to learn from them and emerge stronger and wiser.